Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the phone and the car. Enable Siri and CarPlay on your iPhone so the system can authorize. Once done, unlock the phone. Decide whether to use a certified USB cable or the car's wireless CarPlay. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on if wireless. Turn the Changan Uni K to accessory or start the engine for full infotainment power. Keep the phone near the dash and the cable ready. This avoids delays when the head unit begins pairing. You now perform the actual pairing. If using USB, plug the certified cable into the Uni K's dedicated USB port labeled for phone or CarPlay. The system usually detects instantly. If wireless, go to iPhone settings General CarPlay and tap your Changan when it appears. Alternately pair via Bluetooth in the infotainment Bluetooth menu. On the vehicle screen, accept connection and phone access prompts. Then select CarPlay as the active source so navigation, calls, and audio route through the car. Finish by confirming CarPlay displays app icons and responds to touch and Siri. Test navigation directions and play a song to verify audio routing. If something fails, first swap the USB cable or toggle wireless off and on, then restart your iPhone and the Uni K infotainment system. Make sure CarPlay is allowed while locked and that both iOS and the vehicle firmware are up to date. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone as a last resort. This often clears pairing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.